I am sore and tired from my last... Oh!
Hey guys, welcome to Autodidactic Therapy.
Oh my god, being defeated by the tape.
Ooh, it looked like a video game controller.
Come back to that. Screws.
Wow, that's colorful.
Oh, it opens up. Wow. So 89 days, I'm gonna look like this. That's what.
Okay, that's cool. Red area is for tricep. Blue area is for pectoral, so chest. Yellow area is for back. Green is for shoulders. Oh, that's cool. The battery's dead. Oh, I thought there would be grip, but it's not grippy.
This goes into the grips, right?
I'm saying like the mat. It looks like it's matted.
Oh.
That's the handlebar. I only have one hand.
Crossing hands.
Blue? Oh, interesting.
Blue. Blue.
The color?
Oh, the lines.
Oh, the lines, okay.
So green and blue, a little bit yellow, and so various red positions, green and a couple of these here.
This activates the different body parts. That's cool.
Oh, it's for shoulder, yellow is for back. So this is green and red for shoulder and triceps.
Why don't you undo this? I want to see the timing, see if it's accurate. There's a sensor here.
Yeah, it's probably distance based, I'm guessing. Oh, it's already open.
You need battery.
That AAA?
Look like AAA. Screw it in. Uh-oh.
You sure you're not pregnant? Metal and plastic. All right. Show me signs of life. All right. So it actually works after we install the batteries. Go figure.
So,
Not triceps, maybe back.
back?
Because we did triceps and chest today.
We do green or blue? Blue.
Blue is back, right?
Blue's back.
Ooh, like a wide grip push-up.
What's the blue link? It's not linking.
I think it has to have a line if you want to use this thing.
Red line, but there's no blue line. It's red.
Interesting.
Oh, the red is the pectoral muscle.
Alright, man. Let's start with this standard push-up. And it counts.
Jesus. I am sore, tired from my last.
We just did chest
workout.
today.
Oh. It worked.